This one's gooey. I think I pressed a little bit more on this one. We're gonna try and tilt a hole. Utterly silent.
It turns out these JST connectors they snug on here really nicely, and their only thing is they're just kind of a little wobbly left right, and we really need to heat shrink them anyway. This side. Come on, heat shrink in there. Seems pretty good. We also checked, and I don't pretend to understand, but Rasdus here has checked that the voltage.
So the connectors, I guess in an ideal case, can handle 3 amps each. So 6 amps total. The bed resistance was like 5.8 ohms, I believe, which ended up being about 100 watts, which is similar to what the documentation said, which ended up being, I want to say, 4.1 amp or something like that. So we should have a total capacity of 6 amps with these connectors, ideally, and we're only drawing 4 point something amps. So I think we're good. We've been kind of paranoid about that, you know, with our houses not wanting to burn down and stuff. Yeah, so we take the 2, we splice them down to 1. So we're just checking to see if the connector's there, the connectors that we soldered in here will come out to, when I measured it straight off of the bed, I was getting 5.8 ohms, I believe. And it's gonna do the beeping thing. But this should settle on 5.8 ohms.
Bang. The mag connector is in. Both printers. I think that's all we've accomplished at the moment, but kind of a big one. We've got some plans for next steps. We're just we break now, but everything, we're getting close. We're down to finishing the assembly. Here, the tool head's already done, so we'll probably finish the rails and assembly, fully wire the board, do the cable management, and then pin all that down. And then we'll put the top plates on, I think, and away we go.
Sandra, make sure you don't eat your brother's food, your brother's cupcakes, or your brother's. But I want to eat my brother's. No, we do not eat our brother's. I'm going to eat my brother's. No, Sandworm, you're going in timeout. You're a pair of legs now.